solar work is still going on. It's almost there. Here's inside where all of our controller bitty bottomers are.
Officially connected to the charge controller.
We'll check the charge controller now.
Getting closer.
The hero.
Hey, don't speak yet.
We have battery power.
Okay, go inside. Hit your remote.
Okay. Oh, look.
That's beeping.
What's it reading?
12.7 volts.
It's not focusing. Doesn't like that screen. Oh, it just went up to 17.7.
12.9 volts. So our solar is complete. Thanks to Myron and Becky and advice and leadership. This is what we have in our basement. Got it all nice and neat. All the wires are hung. Charge controllers charging. Inverters inverting. The converters converting. And that water pump is behind a plexiglass now. Not really plexiglass, but hey, it's all working good. We're happy campers. Up on the roof. Again, an incredible job. Incredible! We just had to pull the top off of this vent. We were pre-wired for solar. The wires coming up in were little bitty thin wires. So we ran some really thick ones all the way up. Pulled them up here. Re-dicord this. Put the box on. Dicord the inside of it. Dicord all the screws all the way around in this. We dicord the wires down to the roof here and here, in addition to using some of the what I call magic tape all the way around, all the way down to the second panel. We only have two. The brackets we built ourselves. You saw us cutting those in a previous video, but Myron had all the dimensions in his noggin. He noodled it around a while. We had to cut this out so when we lay the panels flat it actually goes over the wires. Filed that all down so there's no rough edges. Cut some wing nuts up here so I can tilt them at just about any angle, and I can tilt them both ways. They can tilt that way, they can tilt back this way. Boom! With the kind of brackets that we put on the base, and then using the arm bracket we can, you know, do it just opposite of the way we've got it fixed up. We've got two 175 watt panels. Not too bad at all. Oh, that do look nice. And now it's got to the point to where I love seeing blue sky. And I love that guy. I don't like those wisps of clouds anymore.
Hello.
Hey, we've got solar.
We're solar happy.
Just to make it perfectly clear, this is not a how-to video. We don't do those.
We don't do how-to videos. This is how you should do it videos. We do, this is our goofy life and this is what we do. It's called Tom and Lori RV Life. So it's our RV life, not how to install solar, how to do this, how to do that.
Because we're not very good at how-to.
We're not experts on anything except for maybe being ridiculous.
We're learning as we go, and it's an adventure every day, and we just want to make that clear.
And as far as anything else, it's like friends helping friends. Our friends were gracious enough to help us out.
And advise us.
They're not experts either.
No.
None of us are experts. We're just helping each other get it done. And it's got done and it's working.
And the nice thing about it is we're sitting here in the desert running off of sunshine, and we're loving life doing it that way.
Yeah.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll get notified every time we upload a video.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching.